Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we'll be working on my '05 Subaru. I just picked it up from the paint booth, so it's ready to go. I just gotta install some coilover, install the lips, side skirts and all that good stuff, but let me show you guys around. Like, I did a pretty good job on it. Needs to be a lot lower because it's got all that gap right there, but looks super good. And I did end up keeping this hood over here. I actually do like the way it looks. I think I can make it work with the look that I'm trying to go for. And also I might want to change this wheel color maybe to a white or bronze. You guys let me know in the comment section below. And also I gotta figure out what's going on with that camber over there. I'll probably work on it today because I am gonna install some new coilovers. So let's just jump straight into it. Let's go. All right, let's get this front lip installed, and I got those side skirts right there, so let's jump straight into it. Ooh, it's looking nice with that front lip on there. Look at that. Got that front lip on, and now just got to get those side skirts right here. Let's get them on, and then we begin to put the coilovers on. So let's do it. All right, just got the side skirts and front lip installed, and looks super nice. And about to install these race stand coilovers. These are probably the rear, those are the fronts. So let's slam this thing, show you guys how I do it. All right, got the wheels off, and now let's just take these crusty old boys out. There's some eBay max speeding rods, and they're completely seized. So let's get these off. Probably gonna start with the front, and let's do it. All right, out with the old, in with the new, and look at that. Let's get her in. Got another crusty boy out, and man, this thing is just filthy, and it's just seized. So now let's put these ones in. Let me adjust them because I want them a little bit lower, and then slap them right on in there. Let's get her done. And here's a little trick to install the coilovers. So I usually put in these top ones first. There's 3 nuts up there, and then I'll use a jack and then lift up this entire hub, and then so that these holes line up with that right there. And then I just slide in the bolts, and nice and easy. If not, you have to like lift it up by hand, and it gets super hard. So try that next time. All right, got both the front and the rear coilovers installed, and we're about to slap on those wheels and see how low it is. And then I got to do the other side over there. So let's put the wheels on. Whoo! I don't know if you guys are ready for this. You ready? Check this out. Slammed. Let's get it. Now look at that. I might have to trim out this bumper piece just a little bit, or raise it up a bit because it might even rub right here, but we'll see. But I know for sure right here I got to trim out this this piece, and there's like this little piece right there also, but looking icy. And here's the front. I'm gonna probably lower it just a little more, but let me install the other side, and then maybe it'll lower just a little bit, but it's still looking nice. So let's get the other side ready, and let's see how it turns out. Not done yet, need to still adjust all the height and everything and roll the fenders a bit. So, but I'll show you guys what I have so far. I'm just taking a little break and admiring my work for now. But here it is. Looks super nice. All blacked out. Still need to buff the headlights, and still gotta adjust the camber, and this side is just way too low. Look at that. But it's looking good so far. I gotta raise this part up a bit, and then this side I like it, but I need to roll the fender a little more because it's rubbing. But it's looking super nice for now. And this side gotta do some more work, but it's looking good. Look at that. Nice. So I tried to post something last week, but all my videos that I recorded got deleted, and I just wanted to show you guys the update on it. So I took out the plenum and I painted it all wrinkle black, and I also made this, she wants the Z piece. It looks pretty cool. So there you have it. I did all that and no content to show for it. So at least I'll show you guys now. It looks super nice. Love the way it came out. And I have to just change out these red couplers for some black ones, and then it should be mint. Looks really good. Proud of my work for that. So thanks again, guys. All right, so it was rubbing right around here. So I'm gonna have to probably cut this down like that. I don't know how far down, maybe up to here. And I don't know what happened here, but it's all bent up, so I'll probably have to hammer that down. And also this little piece right here, probably hammer that in or cut it off or do something, and then roll the fenders just a little bit. But let's do it. And didn't even notice, but it's rubbing right up against the coilover, so might have to run a little bit of a spacer. Dang, that sucks. Oh well, let's do it. All right, got my safety glasses on, got my angle grinder with the cutoff wheel, so let's do it. All right, just raised it up maybe about a ½ inch or so, and it's still rubbing right up against right here. It's good right here in the middle, but then it starts rubbing again right over here. And right here, it's pretty hard to roll because this thing is so small and such thick metal. So let's try to roll it and let's see what I can do. All right, and also what I noticed is that this tire is a different brand, so the stretch, they're the same tire size, but the stretch on them is different. So I swapped the back one to the front and the front one to the back. So let's see if that does anything. And also I lowered the front end a bit, maybe 1/4 inch to ½ inch. So let's see if that works. All right, we're making progress, boys. Let's get it. So the front end now, it's lower, and I'm just gonna put some negative camber in that, just a little bit, so it tucks that tire under there without rubbing. And also this rear end, I think I'm gonna drop it just a little bit more, because now it clears everywhere. And that cutout clears. And also I looked underneath. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it doesn't rub that coilover anymore. So no more spacer needed. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more content. Here's a little montage of the Subaru. I'm almost done with it, so let's go.